pala, Sir Butch. Oh, napakagaling yan. Ang galing niya maglaro ng table tennis, ng badminton, ng jackstone, Chinese garter, at ng bigo. Ah, totoo yan. But seriously, she is the one. Huwag kang epal. Mga activity presentation ko to eh. Sir Butch, kadalasan mga absent o late yan, he never failed to teach us. Kahit na isang araw na lang before the exam, ay nako, ituturo niya talaga, pagpipilitan niya talaga na malaman naman yung mga importanteng bagay na yan. Tapos yung, hindi siya katulad ng ibang professor na walang consideration. He can teach lessons that really live to our mind. That I have very many experience from this subject. Yung kailangan magpagsabuatan para magkaroon ng project. Seriously, totoo yun. At dapat huwag mo iasa ang sarili mo sa prof mo. Kasi yung prof mo, magbibigay lang ng basics yan. Katulad ng theory mo, nagbibigay lang ng basics sa table tennis. At ikaw na mismo ang mag-practice sa sarili mo para matutunan mo ang lahat ng yun. Marami ko natutunan sa sabi niya to. From badminton to table tennis, sabi ito pa lang yun ha. Eh, wrong grammar naman. Or honestly, natutunan ko talaga yung mga histories ng badminton, ng table tennis, rules and regulations, at yung real basic. Kasi pag naglalaro ako ng badminton, hindi ko alam magsapat na ako ng hamba. At marami pang iba. Hindi ko lang isa-isa sabi na kasi sa question, siguro maganda yung connection. Nakakatuwa yung connection ng mga professor. Diba? At maganda yung mag-paper tapos magtutuan sa table nila. Maganda din yung may ng competition para mag-team sila sa mga bouncy shots. So I will see my own version of favorite from the world favorite guy. Stop. Raindrops of roses and bitter on kittens, bright drops of feathers and marbles of mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are the few of my favorite things. Keep calling ponies and keeps apple cutters, doorbell and slavers and ships with noodles, while leaving with the moon and the wings. These are the few of my favorite things. Bells and white dresses with blue satin sashes, no wigs that stay on my nose and eyelashes. Soon the winter will melt into spring. These are the few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bees chills, when I'm feeling sad. Simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel, and then I don't feel.